Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to share with you one Michael Burry stock that's down 93% off its high that I think you might regret not buying on this dip here. Now, of course, Michael Burry is known for his correctly calling the housing bubble and the housing market crash in 2008-2009, and it's understandable that everyday investors are interested in the stocks that Michael Burry owns. I know I am. So let's get right into why I think Michael Burry likes this stock. So I'm going to show you its financial characteristics before I reveal what this stock is towards the end of the video. So let's get into the metrics first. Here I have the company's revenue over a trailing 12-month period, and what you could see is this company generated 598 million in revenue in its most recently updated period. That's up nicely from 175 million or close to 200 million in 2019. This company did not benefit from the pandemic. In fact, it was hurt from the pandemic. It does not benefit from the trend of people staying at home. It prefers people going out and being around others. It's a fashion company. It's known as a fashion company. I'll get into more details a little bit later, but it's a style company, right? So it benefits when you're out and about being seen by other people. You're not going to want to have nice things unless you're going to be showing it to people and people are going to be seeing you with it. So for that reason, this company is now benefiting as people are going out more, people are going back to the office, people are going back to school, and that's good for it. This metric here shows the company's cash flow from operations to sales over a trailing 12-month period. And this is interesting because typically, from what I've seen of Michael Burry and his investment style, he doesn't typically invest in companies that have negative profitability and negative cash flow from operations. This is an outlier from what I've seen from his investing style. But what I think he sees in this company and what I know I look for when companies have negative cash flow from operations is a positive trend. And this company definitely demonstrates that. You could see from a bottom in 2021 of negative 45% in cash flow from operations to sales. This trend has exploded higher, reaching negative 12% in its most recent update. Now, if it continues on this trajectory, you can see and I can see that it's only a matter of time before this company generates healthy cash flow from operations. And it's got enough cash on the balance sheet to give it time to get there. And looking at the way it's growing revenue and the way it's benefiting from the economic reopening, the prospects look in its favor for it to turn positive in cash flow from operations. So I think that's what Michael Burry sees in this particular investment, in this particular stock, and why I think he's attracted to it despite its negative cash flow from operations. And the last thing I will show you in terms of what I think Michael Burry is attracted to in this stock is its value. And measuring it by its forward price to sales ratio, you could see it's trading at significantly lower than where it was in January of 2022. So it's down hugely off its highs, not only in terms of the actual market price, but in terms of the valuation, the forward price to sales ratio. It's trading at a forward price to sales of 0.32, down from close to 1.9 it was trading. So it's nearly 1/6 the valuation it was in early 2022. And it's got better prospects now that economies have reopened and consumers are unleashing this pent up demand to get out, to be around people, go to restaurants, go to concerts, theme parks, and be around others, which is good for this company. So, what is this company? It's the Real, ticker symbol REAL, Real. This company uh, authenticates used luxury items like purses. And of course, you're not going to want to carry around a purse if you're not leaving your house, right? So, this is why this company has been benefiting from the reopening. It sells other types of luxury items like purses that need to be authenticated because people, authentication is a big problem, right? Luxury items get um, copied. And so you want to know it's real when you're buying it, and that's the competitive advantage it offers. So an interesting growth stock that's down significantly off its highs right now, benefiting from a trend, and I think you might regret not buying it at this price here. All right, but that's all I've got for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I want to thank the Motley Fool for sponsoring this video. Visit fool.com/Parkev for the 10 best stocks to buy now.